Which of the following are outputs of the iteration planning meeting? Select two. Okay. Iteration goal, iteration plan, definition of done, estimated product backlog. I let you choose your options. Now, what I believe in this particular question, the option A and B seems to be a clear, easy choices. You should not face any difficulty in picking A and B. This seems to be a very easy question. Now, if you are finding this question little difficult, it means you need to study a little bit more about how these various agile meetings operates, what is their goal, and what are their objectives or the outputs which they generate at the end of it. Now, please be clear, the PMP exam will use iteration and sprint as a replaceable word, synonyms. So sometimes they may use a word that which of the following are the output of sprint planning meeting, and they may use a word sprint goal, iteration goal as a same thing. Similarly, iteration plan, sprint backlog, or iteration backlog, these all words may also get replaced, used interchangeably. So be aware of these terminology, and then you understand how these things work. Now, if you are still confused that why not definition of done, why not estimated product backlog? So you can say the estimated product backlog is something which is, the product backlog is getting estimated in a backlog refinement meeting. It's a continuous process. It's not a one-time job. It's a regular thing because the product backlog items are emerging regularly. And definition of done is something which we are having kind of an agreement for completion. So before we get into a sprint planning meeting, we should have that agreement. There could be some plus minus happening during the sprint planning meeting. Occasionally, it's not expected to happen inside that. And the objective of sprint planning meeting is not to come up with a definition of done, rather come up with a plan according to a definition of done. That's the whole idea. So definition of done is technically an input to an iteration planning meeting rather than an output of an iteration planning meeting. So checking the videos of those Scrum, which we have in our content, might be useful in order to have very good understanding of such kind of questions, and these kind of meetings might be useful for your PMP exam.